double down. And one of the ways to double down is with boosters. Boosters are absolutely key at this moment. We need everyone to focus on boosters. If you're eligible, it's time. It will make all the difference. Now, we heard great news yesterday from Moderna that their booster increases the antibody levels that are necessary to fight Omicron. And that is crucial. We have more and more evidence of the impact boosters can have in fighting off Omicron. This is a crucial piece of the equation. So if you're vaccinated, that's great. But if you want that extra protection, go get that booster now. We want everyone right now, as quickly as possible, to get those boosters. And we're going to make it even better for you with a new incentive, and an incentive that is here just in time for the holidays, because every one of us knows we're out there shopping for our families. It would be nice to have a little extra cash. So as of today, we're announcing a $100 incentive for everyone who goes out and gets a booster here in New York City between now and the end of the year. So it's a limited time opportunity over these next days. Get your booster shot, get a $100 incentive. It's going to make you feel a lot safer, a lot better that you got the booster, and you'll have some more cash in your pocket at the same time. That's going to be a good feeling, particularly this time of year. You can go to any of the city-run sites that provide vaccination, or you can go to our partner Somos clinics and practices as well. So that $100 incentive, you'll get that quickly. That is now, today, if you go and get your booster today, through December 31st. So again, limited time opportunity, but exactly the time we need New Yorkers to go out and get their booster. This will be by far the biggest booster incentive program in the United States of America. And I want to see New Yorkers respond. This is the moment. Come out in real big numbers. Get those booster shots and help make your family safer and help make this whole city safer. With more about why boosters matter and why they are so effective, I bring you the city's doctor, our health commissioner, Dr. Dave Choksi.
Thank you so much, Mr. Mayor. More than a month ago, I issued a commissioner's advisory calling on everyone to get a booster dose of COVID-19 vaccine when it was their time, and urging that providers not turn anyone away due to eligibility considerations. That was because even then, the science was clear about the benefits of booster doses. Since then, Omicron has made booster doses even more important and urgent. Yesterday, the CDC estimated that Omicron is now responsible for an approximate 93% of cases in the New York City region. But while the evidence is still emerging, thus far it indicates that an additional dose of Pfizer or Moderna provides enhanced protection against both infection as well as disease related to Omicron. Pfizer released preliminary laboratory data showing a 25-fold increase in protective antibodies after a third dose. And yesterday, as the mayor mentioned, Moderna released similar data showing a 37-fold increase. The way that we should think about this is that an additional dose helps keep your immunity up to date. Over 1.7 million booster doses have already been administered in New York City, and I thank each and every New Yorker who has stepped up to increase their own protection and reinforce our vaccination wall against this new wave. But we have more work to do, and we must do it quickly. That's why I'm grateful that the mayor announced the $100 incentive for booster shots across city sites. In total, over 1,000 sites are offering booster doses in New York City. Just visit nyc.gov/vaccine finder or call 877-VAX4NYC to get linked to one. Or we'll come to you. Just visit nyc.gov/home vaccine to schedule a booster dose at home. We can all play our part in this booster sprint. I know many New Yorkers will be spending time with their loved ones over the next few days, even if only virtually. Please urge them to get their booster dose, particularly if they're older or otherwise at higher risk. And a special note for those who received the J&J vaccine, I recommend a booster dose of either Moderna or Pfizer for anyone vaccinated with J&J at least 2 months ago. That means anytime before October 21st. So simply put, if you haven't yet gotten your booster dose, there is no better time than right now. Thank you, sir.
Thank you so much, Dr. Choksi. What a clear, powerful message. And listen, 1.7 million New Yorkers have gotten a booster already. That's amazing. That's going to help everyone to stay safe, but there's a lot more New Yorkers who can get that booster, and starting today, you get that $100 incentive with it. A great additional reason to come